These are Antarctica axes. They're lighter weight than what you normally throw underhand, and I've always thrown these overhand, but I haven't thrown them any direction in ages. And I'm going to try holding this camera and give you the bird's eye view of what I'm looking at throwing it underhand. Okay, that one was good. It's right by the bull's eye. And I'm holding it with this way down here like this, by the way. Oh, that one is bullseye. Okay, and the other one actually is too. Alright, a little low, but I didn't really have any other space, but as you can see, they all stuck right in there, and you got to see it the same way that I did when I threw it.